Yep, that's a Nokia. Hello everyone. How are you doing? Everything good? I hope so. I mean, come on, you're awesome. Of course, everything is going awesome. You can kind of see what I'm going to do in this video. This Nokia C5. I don't know which camera version it is, the 3 megapixel or the 5 megapixel, because, well, it's, you know, I can't see anything on it. All I know is that it starts, and if I put a new display and it doesn't start, then I'm going to have to restore another Nokia like this. I still have one or two of these. I'm going to use only old parts because I don't have any new ones for this phone. Well, except for the back, the small back cover from the camera. And maybe it won't look that bad. Gosh! Let's begin. Well, let's open it up. Ugh, the condition of the sporting. Well, no need to be gentle with the body shell because, well, it's how it is. But I'm going to be gentle to the buttons because I still need them. Oh yeah, I almost forgot, this thing comes off separately. Come on, dude. Oh. Is this thing glued here? Yeah. Oof. Yeah, this thing has been glued here. Come on. Well, I'm going to keep it anyway, so... Well, except for the buttons, of course. I'm keeping those. Oh, stereo. Okay. The only thing that I'm missing on the other body shell that I'll be using, it's one of these. And I'm missing it because, well, it's also missing the flash, so I'll have to keep this thing. I got shot. Here's the flash. Okay, keeping this as well. Now this guy. You can see the main board dent here. See how it's reflecting? It's dent. And you can also feel it. Okay, the buttons are in one piece. Look at this. Oh, yikes. And here's the main board, which is dent, but works. Before I go any further, I'm going to want to turn it on so that I don't waste too much time. Yeah, so like I said, temporarily connecting them. Okay. All right. Personal photo. Dang, why there's always a personal photo? Either way, it starts. Now all I have to do is to clean it. And I'll be right back. It shouldn't take too long because I'm not cleaning too much parts. Be right back. Well, cleaned it as good as I can do it. Now to reassemble this whole thing. There we go. Yeah, and they told me that I have no skill in disassembling them, but the person who disassembled this before me snapped here a few things. I mean, look at this, nothing is snapped where I disassembled it, but here, yeah, whatever. Put this back here. Check this back. Yeah. Okay, now it's much better, much pressed. Good. Yeah. Now let's see it turn on. Let me just take it away so that I can change the background image. Oh, it's already changed, eh? Good. Well, this is the phone. Let's see which camera is it. Three megapixel one. Well, at least I nailed the back cover. So yeah, the 3.2 megapixel one. Now I'm curious to see how much was this phone used. Oh, okay. 1,896 stock hours. Whew, okay. Well, I've seen worse, but yeah. I'm going to delete everything in this phone. And as it is, it will go in the showcase. Yep. Yeah, it's an easy phone to disassemble and put back together. So you shouldn't have any problems if you have one of these and want to do it. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs Nokia up. That was lame. And be sure to subscribe because it helps me a lot and I really appreciate you doing that. And well, only if you enjoy the content. If you don't, well, I'm sorry to disappoint. So that's it for today. Again, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves. Bye!